International System of Units. In earlier times, there were various systems of units for measurement around the world. Three such systems, the CGS, the FPS and the MKS system, were in use extensively till recently. CGS is an acronym for centimeter gram second. It is based on the centimeter as the unit of length, gram as the unit of mass, and the second as the unit of time. Similarly, base units for length, mass and time in FPS system are foot, pound, and second respectively. In the MKS system, they are meter, kilogram, and second respectively. The system of units, which is internationally accepted for measurement at present, is the Système International des Unités, French for International System of Units, abbreviated as SI. There are 7 base units in SI, one each for 7 fundamental quantities. They are length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Base unit for length is meter, represented with the symbol m. Meter is the length of the path travelled by light in a vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 299,792,458 of a second. Base unit for mass is kilogram, represented with the symbol kg. The kilogram is equal to the mass of the international prototype of the kilogram, a platinum iridium alloy cylinder kept in a locked vault at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris, France. Base unit for time is second, represented with the symbol S. The second is standardized using the frequency of radiation emitted by cesium. A cesium atom in its ground state has one unpaired electron. The total electron spin of the atom is 1 by 2. The nucleus of cesium-133 has a nuclear spin 7 by 2. The simultaneous presence of electron spin and nuclear spin leads to the splitting of all energy levels into 2 sub-levels. One of the sub-levels corresponds to the electron and nuclear spin being parallel, leading to a total spin equal to 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 4. The other sub-level corresponds to anti-parallel electron and nuclear spin, leading to a total spin 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equals to 3. Sub-level with spin 3 has the lowest energy. Sub-level with spin 4 has slightly high energy. When the atom is irradiated with electromagnetic radiation, having an energy corresponding to the energetic difference between the 2 sub-levels, the radiation is absorbed and the atom is exited, going from spin 3 sub-level to spin 4 sub-level. After a small fraction of a second, the atom re-emits the radiation and returns to its ground state. The radiation emitted has a frequency of 9.192631,770 GHz, corresponding to a wavelength of about 3.26 centimeters in the microwave range. Frequency is inverse of the time period. Hence, 1 second corresponds to the duration of 9,192,631,770 periods of the radiation. This way of measuring 1 second has the advantage of being measured at any location and at any time. Base unit for electric current is ampere, represented with the symbol A. The ampere is that constant current which, if maintained in 2 straight parallel conductors of the infinite length of negligible circular cross-section, and placed 1 meter apart in a vacuum would produce between these two conductors a force equal to 2 into 10⁻⁷ Newton per meter of length. Base unit for thermodynamic temperature is Kelvin, represented with the symbol K. The Kelvin is the fraction 1/273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. Base unit for amount of substance is mole, represented with the symbol MOL. The mole is the amount of substance of a system which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilograms of carbon-12. Base unit for luminous intensity is candela, represented with the symbol CD. The candela is the luminous intensity in a given intensity direction of a source that emits monochromatic radiation of frequency 540 into 10⁻12 Hz, and that has a radiant intensity in that direction of 1/683 watt per steradian. Apart from these 7 fundamental quantities, SI system has 2 more basic units defined for plane angle and solid angle, which we are going to define in the upcoming topic.